My name is Matt Riker. I graduated from Metro State in 2014 with a BA in history. I currently work at the state capitol as a Senate sergeant. I use history at work every day. I work in a living museum. I work in a place where history is everywhere. I get to talk with people that have incredible stories about the past. I get to see incredible things every day. My degree, my experience at Metro helps me understand how important those stories are.
My name is Carter Albrecht. I graduated in the class of 2021 from here at Metro State with a bachelor's in history, and I currently work as the director of player development for St. Croix Legends, a local semi-pro soccer club. A degree in history has enhanced my life just by giving me a richer understanding of what's going on around me. I travel a lot for work, domestically and internationally, and having an understanding of where people have come from and where they are now is really fulfilling. The access, the collaboration, the guidance from my professors made it an incredible experience.
I chose to major in history because I've always loved listening to stories from the past. Those stories always meant a lot to me, and as I got older, I found myself being the old timer telling the stories. That's always been something I've been drawn to, is digging into books and learning from primary sources about what things were like.
It's not a limiting major. You don't just have to go into academia or teach. It prepares you for a wide variety of potential careers. Really explore your options and make the most of different career opportunities.
Understand that you have something valuable in your pocket and to use it going forward. Make decisions based on the why. Dig a little deeper. Do the things that you've learned at Metro and you'll be fine.